Irving channel. I'm your host, Irving. Today, I'm going to teach you how to disassemble and reassemble a 5x5 Rubik's Cube and solve and scramble a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. To solve the cube, we usually do the seafrog method. If you haven't seen any of my other videos, seafrog stands for cubing, frog, randomly orients a cube. And the algorithm looks like this. Rubble Bubble Blue Mule yelled, "Red X! Rubble fell on my drum bell!" But if you want to impress people, you have to slow it down so people can see the movement. The way you do that is you just keep randomly turning the cube until it's solved. My assistant will show you. Well done, assistant. Next, I'll show you how to scramble it. You first scramble the side edges of the yellow layer. Next, you have to scramble the yellow side. Finally, you have to scramble the middle and bottom layer. Now my assistant will show you. Great job, assistant. Now, I'll show you how to disassemble your 5x5 cube. You first unscrew one side and carefully pull out the pieces on that layer. Continue to do this for all the remaining layers. Now my assistant will show you. Don't worry that you have a pile of pieces in front of you, because all you have to do is ask your assistant to put them back together. Assistant, do it! See, it's that easy. So don't be afraid to take apart all your cubes from a 1x1 to a 21x21.